I come from a home, very Orthodox home. We were 8 brothers, 1 sister, and my parents. People survived, 1 brother and me survived. I sent my kids to religious school. They know what they are, where they come from. I survived Auschwitz, Lodz Ghetto, Warsaw Ghetto, Magdeburg, and the Salvation March. How I survived? I'm a proud Jew. I am what I am about. After about mitzvah, I took my kids to Israel. First I took them to Poland, where I was born, where I lived there, Lodz Ghetto. Then I took them to Warsaw. Warsaw Ghetto, I was there. I showed where I slept on the street. And there I took them to Auschwitz. I explained the necessity to have a country, so I took them to Israel. After the war, 45, it's a dream to have our own country. A Jew can have a home, not be a wandering Jew. You don't like it? Take your suitcase, come to Israel. They're happy to have you there. I used to be in textile business. I used to go twice a month to New York. At the airport was all the flags. I see the Israeli flag. I started crying. We have a country with a flag. Who would dream about it? Nobody would dream about it. We have a country. I can say to you, I'm very proud that my kids are very strong for Israel. Israel makes us proud. Any Jew in the world is prouder now than ever before. We're proud to be a part of a Jew. 1947, November, the UN acclaimed Israel as a country. Was the biggest day of my life. So we worked, support Israel, build Israel. That's up to you guys to continue to work with Israel. To you guys. I'm an optimist. I believe in the future. I did my work. It's up to the kids, the new generation, to come in here. They have an obligation to myself. For me to see second generation be active in Israel. It's a dream for my father's a dream. To me, it's a dream, a reality. Let's keep it. Let's not forget who we are, what we are. IAC is doing a hell of a job. And the members that we have here, they are active. I'm proud to say that I'm part of that IAC.
So first of all, I wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, and thank you for being here, and it's an honor to hear your story. You have my promise that your legacy will never die. Your story is unbelievably humbling. It makes me such a proud Jew, and I just want to start off with that.
Good.